The USGOD, but replace the D with a V, allows bugs in your food. They would never do that. You have got way too much faith in them, my friend. Come with me. So today we're gonna make the Scrunchy Mom version of this. And you're only gonna need 3 ingredients. 4 if you wanna be a smart ass and count water. You need 2 cups of sugar. With all that sugar, you might as well buy the pre-made one. I said scrunchy, not crunchy, so if you're that kind of mom, you can see your way out. 1 cup of water. You're gonna let this boil on the stove at medium heat until it starts to bubble. Once it does that, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of cacao powder. Now this is organic, it doesn't have to be organic. We take baby steps around here, okay? You don't have to be 100% crunchy to make better choices, no matter what they tell you. And since if you like me and got raggedy pots and pans, don't forget to stir it so it don't stick to the bottom. Nobody wants burnt syrup sauce.
Look at your little bubbles go.
So we put in our cacao powder, we're gonna put in our vanilla extract, and this is why you need to make sure you have a big enough pan because this is gonna bubble up very high. You can remove it from the heat if you need to, all right? Don't make a mess. Remove it from the heat and allow it to cool for a little bit. Once it has cooled off, you can transfer it to any container like a mason jar, but I'm gonna reuse this Hershey bottle. See, I'm recycling, I'm doing my part. And we just gonna put that on there like that. 3 ingredient chocolate sauce, is that really? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, listen, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is my first time making it, but God damn. It tastes like Hershey. Don't say I never put you on to nothing. Follow me for more Scrunchy Mom tips. Devin, come here. Hurry up. Yo, tall ass, scoot back. They can't even see you. No, actually come back forward and crouch.
It's not bad, actually.
Not bad.